What's up, guys? It's John Muscarello from Side Hustle Experiment, and Buster is with me today. Today is Quick Tip Tuesday. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I am a full-time e-commerce entrepreneur who sells on Amazon and eBay, and I try to provide you with the best tips as possible to make money on Amazon and eBay. And every Tuesday, I try my best to give you a quick tip, and as short as possible, that's going to be super helpful to you. And in today's Quick Tip Tuesday, I am going to talk about, do you need a business, an LLC, to start an Amazon or eBay business? So the short answer to this is no. I get this question all the time. And you know, when I first started, all I needed to open my Amazon account is my social security number. You need an address, you need a bank account, and you need a credit card. That's pretty much it. You kind of fill out the form. It's been 2, 3, 4 years since I've done it, but that's all that you need. You can do everything under your social. I think this is a great way to get started. Right? Like if you did an LLC, you'd have to pay a smaller fee. Well, it depends on where you are. On your state, you'd have to wait a little bit. Just get started. You can always do it later. That's what I did. So the answer is no. One thing I will tell you is a tip: keep all your business expenses separate. Get a separate bank account, like for everything you're doing. Move like a couple $100 in there to get you started for buying and selling things. Or if you're doing more cash stuff locally, do that. Bottom line, you want to keep all your expenses separate. This way, come tax time, you're not like, oh, like this deposit, where is this from? Or like, is this for the business on my credit card? You have a separate credit card for your business, or just use your debit card, up to you. But short answer, you do not need an LLC. You don't need a reselling license. You don't need a reselling permit. You could look at all that stuff down the line, but when you're just getting started, you can simply use your social security number, get a separate bank account, use a separate credit card or debit card if you don't want to use a credit card, and just get started. If you found this video helpful, please like it. Please subscribe to the channel. It means a ton to me. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, or let me know how you got started. Talk to you guys soon in the next video.